is the summit of Hart Mountain, and I was there a few minutes ago with some friends. We got up very recently. Those friends are on the way up to that peak straight ahead, which is Twin Towers. Behind me is Barrier Lake, and I am not going to be hiking the Twin Towers because I'm on a super low carb, no sugar diet right now, and I don't quite have the power that I usually have for hikes. So they're going to go ahead, and I'm going to carry on down. And just while I was having a bit of lunch on my own there, I could hear all kinds of people talking about hiking, talking about this hike, talking about summer plans, and I turned around and noticed there were about 20 people behind me, all in separate groups, so everyone's well spread out. But usually when I'm having a meal on a mountain, I like silence. I love the sound of just the air, maybe the birds, and solitude, right? Just being in touch with nature. But I noticed how I didn't run away from the crowd immediately because I missed that. That's the first time I've been around a crowd of more than 6 or 7 people, I think, for more than 2 months. And it was comforting. It was really nice. And I'm glad people are keeping their distance, but it's just funny on this day. This is a very popular hike. It's a fast one, so a lot of people are scrambling up this mountain. And I just mostly wanted to show you the beautiful scenery that I'm really happy that I could get to today. So stay safe wherever you are and take good care. Oh yeah, and also, once again, just because you have to physically distance, it doesn't mean you can't talk to people. You certainly can. So yeah, talk to people anyways. Here's the Barrier Lake lookout. That's the old fire lookout. It's Barrier Lake, Mount Baldy, and the Twin Towers. There's Hart Mountain from where I have just descended, and I've got some tired legs. What do you know, on the hike down all by myself, I met a stranger. And it was such a pleasure. His name's Matthew, and he was hiking on his own. I was hiking on my own for this last section. We got talking, and we were able to have what I call is an information exchange. And by that, I mean I was able to share a little tidbit of information with him that could be really useful in his life. Specifically, I told him about this app called Wiki Camps, which is this neat little app that tells you all the free places to camp on Crown land or places where it's acceptable to pitch a tent in case you're not welcome because you're from a certain province or a certain place that's at the actual official campgrounds. And so I'm sure he's going to utilize that, and it was my pleasure to share that information, and we just had a really nice, enjoyable chat. And that's the thing that I'm really hoping to share with people with my whole Talk to More People initiative, book coming soon, is that people have this information exchange with people they've never met before, because learning little tidbits of information like that can really, really change and improve lives. And talking to people is just good for your mental health. So that's my message for today at the end of this Hart Mountain hike that tired me out and was wonderful and beautiful. Talk to more people.